Hello homesteaders, here's a little surprise for you. Welcome to the homestead. This is our Duromax dual fuel generator. I love this thing. I recommend the propane. Use that as much as you can. You can keep propane forever. It doesn't get bad. Like gas will go bad in time. You don't have to worry about that. I store about 15 of these tanks, so I always have the propane on hand. It's powerful, it works great. This is a 4400 and it has all the power I need for cutting wood. It's a little light if I have real heavy things. I have a bigger generator for that purpose. I am not selling this. I don't get paid for advertising this product. I really love the propane. I would really encourage you to consider this for your homestead. Keep your eyes on the sky, keep your powder dry.